First, screw the two elbows. Before you screwing the elbows, wrap the threads with Teflon. We're not doing it here just because it's for demonstration, but first wrap it with Teflon tape and then tighten the elbows properly before putting the chiller inside the chiller cabinet. Also the same. Wrap the thread with the Teflon tape and screw the elbows to the top. Screwing the pipes to the elbows, and to have a tidy and nice sort of setup, go around with the hoses. Make one loop here so that we tidy up everything, and then screw in the pipes and make sure that you connect the correct inlet of the chiller to the outlet of the tub and vice versa. And that's it. So first we are going to assemble the table. So you basically assemble table from here exactly leveled, and you screw these easily. This is soft wood, so with just a screwdriver the screws will go in, no problem, easily. And we have left this area open for better ventilation of the chiller.